Their parents, teacher, friend, classmate, guest speaker, Mr. Anton Maningas, visitor, embrace. Good afternoon. Today our kindergarten days have finally ended. No word can express how happy we are for the success we have achieved. We owe this success to the combined efforts our dear parents who have sacrificed much for us to obtain good education, to our teachers who were so patient in teaching us, to our fair classmates whom we share friendship with, and to our Almighty God for goodness and blessing He has bestowed upon us. Privilege, we would also like to thank our guest speaker for giving us word of encouragement as we face another challenge in our life. Now we are ready to step into the bigger world. Thank you.